Hello again, students! Today we're doing a fun and rhythmic art activity, paper weaving art. This activity will help us explore rhythm and pattern through hands-on creativity. Let's get started! Here are the steps in creating your artwork. So first, we need to prepare your loom or the base. Now, you need to take one sheet of colored paper and then you need to fold it in half crosswise. Now from the folded edge, draw a line here at the top of the paper. And after that, use your ruler again to draw lines about 1 inch apart here at the bottom part. Now, carefully cut along each line using this scissors. These are your weaving slits. Now, time to make your weaving strips. For the weaving strips, grab your second sheet of colored paper. Now, use a ruler to draw strips, again about 1 inch wide. So, make it horizontal and then use your ruler again. Now, cut them out carefully. And these are the weaving strips. You'll need at least 6 to 8 strips to start weaving. And now, wrap again your weaving slits and your weaving strips. Now, it's time to weave. Take your first strip. Now, the pattern here is over, under, over, under, over, under, and over. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over. Now, take your second strip and do the opposite. Under, over, under, over, under, over, and under. Now, get your third strip and do the opposite as well. Over, under, over, under, over, under, and over. Continue doing it until you finish here. Just keep alternating and this makes that awesome like checkboard pattern. Now after that, let's lock it all in. So you may flip your loom just like here and glue the ends of each strip to the back so they don't move. And then you may trim any strips that hang over unevenly. And do this again at the back. Now, for the final step, it's time for us to make our design come alive with rhythm. So, we will decorate our woven strips, maybe with lines, dots, or wave patterns. And this repetition will create a visual beat just like in music. We're done. And there we have it, our very own paper weaving art. Not only does it look amazing, but it also shows rhythm, movement, and creativity. Can't wait to see yours. Now go weave some art magic. Thank you everyone, and see you in our next art session.